As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on tools and products we use in today's video. Today, we have this 99 Saturn SL2. I believe it's a 1.9 liter engine, and it's got a bad starter. So I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. It's going to be a pretty quick overview. It's pretty simple once you know where everything's located. So I'm going to show you everything now. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. This one is a side post and it was a 10mm. You disconnect that, then once you start touching that big red wire, nothing's going to shock you. Well, you're never going to get shocked, but it'll throw a spark, get really hot, could burn you. Alright, next we're going to lift the car, and you can see where I got lifted right there, and of course get a jack stand because you're going to be under the car. And in my case, it's kind of going downhill a little bit. Make sure you got some good wheel chocks. I got both my wheel chocks back there, and also got the emergency brake applied. Now we're going to look at the new starter off the vehicle. So it's going to be sitting up there. Come on, focus camera. There we go, something like that. It's going to be sitting up there like that right there. You're going to be able to see this bolt right here. It's a 13, and then let's see, we got another 13, and then the little one, right? You can only do so much with one hand. Little one, focus camera. It's a 10mm right there. So those three are going to be pretty easy. The one back here is going to be a little bit more difficult. It's also a 13. I'm going to get under the car. I already have a socket and extension on it. I'm going to show you what it looks like to have it on there. And the best way I found to be able to touch it and feel it, because if you can touch it and feel it, you'll have a better idea of where to put your extension and socket, is I slide up under there. I take my left hand and I work my way back up there, and I can kind of feel that bolt. But I'll show you what it looks like once it is connected. So we're gonna get up under here, and welcome to underneath the Saturn. And there we go. So that is your starter. So the socket is, oh yeah, you can see the socket. Socket is right there. That's all I can show you. Let's see if I can cut out some of this ambient light. There we go. That's all I can show you as far as how to put your socket on there, because there's just no physical way to see that bolt. But here, let's see if I can put my thumb on it. You see my thumb's moving? That's the bolt right there, that 13. So you take that one out, and then you'll feel for this one up here. You know, I'm gonna just shove the camera up there and see if it shows you. You'll know. I guess I'll know here in a little bit, but let's see. I don't know if you are seeing it right now, but maybe this is helpful. So anyways, that's a good look at something. So there you go. So once you take all those, alright guys, last thing I want to show you is these wires right here. If you'd taken them off and didn't remember what went where, these two are power wires, and they go on the big power one, and then this little purple one back here goes on the little 10, which is, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can just see, barely see the edge. So that's where they go. Purple goes on here, the two metal connectors go on here. And I looked back at that clip where I tried to show you the bolt. I'm gonna make one more attempt because I watched the video and I wasn't happy with it. So let's see if we can see. Alright, so now I'm coming from back here.